Okay, today we are going to start the new chapter named differential equation. Last chapter, sir. Differential equations. What is the chapter name? Differential equations. We know very well. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. A sin square theta plus b sin theta plus c is equal to 0 is trigonometric equation. Now, if it is in the form of it is called differential equation. Means what? In this, derivatives will be there. So, we know how to solve this equation using minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a or factorization. This trigonometric equation you know very well. In the first year then sin theta is equal to k, general solution, all that we have done. Okay. Now, differential equation by integration method. So, for example, if I integrate dy by dx, then it will be y. So, integration of dy by dx will be y. So, we solve these equations by integration method. Okay, this is a concept. So, there are four methods are there, sir. We will be solving these equations by different methods, and there is one is called order and degree. Okay, there is a order and degree. This is for 2 marks, sir. And solving the equations, there will be 1 7 marks, 1 4 marks. Okay, this will be there from this chapter. There will be weightage of 7 marks, 4 marks and 2 marks. Okay, we will see that. Okay. Now, let us see first model. What is the first model? Variable separable. Variable separable method. What is the first method? Variable separable. The simplest example, y by x. So, dy by dx is equal to y by x. So, put under dy y terms, under dx x terms. Under dy కింద y terms రాయండి, dx కింద x terms రాయండి. Means what? dy by y is equal to dx by x. Put a integration symbol. 1 by y dy is equal to 1 by x dx. So, what is that? 1 by y dy is equal to 1 by x dx. You know integration of 1 by y? Log y. And 1 by x? Log x plus c. Okay, simplest problem. What is the simplest problem? Variable separable. Means we are separating wherever x is there, we are writing dx, and wherever y is there, we are writing dy. Right? Next. Next problem. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. What is that? 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. Right? So, what will happen? dy by 1 plus y square, dx by 1 plus x square. Put integration. We know this is nothing but tan inverse y. Because tan inverse y derivative 1 by 1 plus x square here, tan inverse y will come here, tan inverse x plus c. So, what we have done? Simply we have separated them. Right? Next step. X plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. X plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So, this can be written x is equal to minus y dy by dx. So what I have done? I have separated them. Now cross multiply. X dx is equal to minus y dy. Right? Bring the term this side. X dx plus y dy is equal to 0. Put a integration symbol. X dx plus y dy is equal to 0 integration. So x dx means x square by 2 plus y square by 2 is a constant. Okay, because integration of 0 is constant. Why? Because constant derivative is c integration derivative is 0. So this will be constant. X square plus y square is equal to cc, or you can say 2k. So observe here, we are separating them. X కింద y కింద y రాస్తాం సార్. dy below y will be there, dx below x will be there. Similarly dy కింద y ఉంది సార్, dx కింద x ఉంది. Here also same thing. Okay, please note on this. Next, dy by dx is equal to e power x plus y. So e power x into e power y. You know, a power m plus n is a power m into a power n. Now separate them. Is equal to e power x dx. So this will go to numerator. dy is equal to dx. So what is integration of e power y? E power y. But there is a minus sign. So minus e power minus y is equal to e power x plus c. Therefore, it's equal to c. Simple method, sir. Okay. Oh, sir, 2 marks. He can give you this type of problems for 2 marks. Okay. Next. Plus is equal to minus 5. Observe here. dy by dx is equal to e power x into e power minus 5 plus x square into e power minus 5. dy by dx is equal to e power minus 5 common, e power x plus x square. So e power minus 5 common. So what will happen? E power x plus x square. Divide this. Is equal to dx. So I have separated. Dx has come to x and dy has come to y. So this is nothing but is equal to plus integration. So e power y is e power y, e power x is e power x, x cube by 3. You know, integration of x square is x cube. So observe here. So ఎప్పుడైనా సరే we are separating them. Okay, simple method. Y కింద dy రావాలి, dy కింద y రావాలి సార్, dx పక్కన ex, anything means x dy. Here also observe here, y and x. Simple method. Okay, please note down. Next. dy by dx is equal to y square plus 2y by x minus 1. Right? So what I will do? dy by y square dx by x minus 1. Now this can be written is equal to dx minus 1. Okay, for finding this integration symbol. But here first we separate them. Is equal to partial fraction. You are learning 1a. You have used the partial fraction for this, sir. So what will happen? 1 is equal to a into y plus 2 plus b into y. Put y is equal to minus 2. So 1 is equal to minus 2b, b is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if I put minus 2, this will be 0. So we get, put y is equal to 0. So 1 is equal to 2a, a is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, no, a by b by, we are right. Therefore, integration of a is what, sir? 1 by 2 dy, and what is the b value? Minus 1 by 2 dy is equal to dx, so x minus 1. Look at here. I'm writing here. This will be now disintegration 1 by 2 1 by y dy minus 1 by 2 dy integration of 1 by s. So what is the integration of 1 by y? Log y minus 1 by 2 log y plus 2 is equal to log of x minus 1 plus c. So what we have done? We have used the partial fraction and we have found out integration. So very, very important is this. Okay, please note on this. Next problem. Y into 1 plus x dx plus x into 1 plus y dy is equal to 0. Right? Y into 1 plus x into dx. Right? Next, x into 1 plus y dy. Now I will separate them. Is equal to minus x into dy. Bring x this side, y this side. What I meant is equal to dy. So separate them. Dx here also minus of dy. So this becomes 1 by x dx integration plus 1 dx is equal to minus dy plus dy. Therefore, this becomes log x plus x is equal to minus log y plus y plus c. Observe here, अन्य problems variables separables are. Wherever x is there, we are writing x, and wherever y is there, we are writing y. Right? Please note on this. Next one. Secant square x tan y dx plus secant square y tan x dy is equal to 0. Right? Now, look at here. First is equal to minus of secant square y tan x dy. Okay, so bring tan x this side by tan x dx here minus secant square y tan y dy. Go, we'll write like this: secant square x tan x dx plus secant square y tan y dy is equal to 0. Put the integration symbol. Now observe here. What is the tan x derivative? Secant square x. Tan y derivative? Secant square y. So it is in the form of f dash x by f of x, which is nothing but log of f of x. So derivative of this there in the numerator. So it is because what, sir? It is because log of tan x plus log of tan y is equal to c. So we are separated and we have used f dash x by f of x. Copy this. Next. Now look at here. From here, the problems level will be increasing. First one, he can give you 4 marks, sir. By dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. So minus of by x square plus 1. Variables are proper. So what will happen? Dy by y square plus y plus 1 is equal to minus of dx by x square plus x plus 1. So rearrange. Plus dx by x square plus x1 is equal to 0. Put an integration symbol. Now we have to find integration for this. Now I consider anything one we can consider. Consider x square plus x plus 1. Again we know we have done converted into standard form, sir. 1 by x square plus a square form lo convert cheyali, sir. We have to convert into that form. So 2b is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x square plus x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So which will give you whole square. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4, which is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Right? Now, this is what we got. So this is similarly it will be y. So what will happen? 1 by y plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square dy is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square dx. Which form it is? 1 by x square plus a square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So what we have done? So what we have done here? We have used the 1 by x square plus a square formula. So what will happen? 1 by a root 3 by 2 tan inverse by root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus c. Right? You can cancel or leave the answer like this. Okay. So here we are converted into dy by dx, separated them, then our standard method, sir. Mana standard method, sir. అందుకనే ఇది 4 మార్క్స్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్ దిస్. Okay, next one. dy by dx is equal to xy plus y by xy plus x. Right. Now y common x plus 1, x common y plus 1. Now separate them by y dy here x plus 1 by x dx. So separate them. So y by y plus 1 by y dy here x by x plus 1 by x dx. So this becomes 1 plus 1 by y dy, integration symbol, 1 plus 1 by x dx. So it is because y plus log y. Here x plus log x plus c. Same model we have done one problem but small arrangement. Okay. So ఇక్కడ గుర్తుంచుకోండి సార్, అన్ని వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్, వెరీ సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. Okay, we'll be continuing some more problems in this. Some typical high range problems also will be there, sir. Okay, that we'll see in the next video.